It's all risky. The minute you were born it got risky. If you think trying is risky, wait till they hand you the bill for not trying. If you think investing is risky, wait till you get the tab for not investing. You see, it's all risky. Getting married is risky. Having children is risky. Going into business is risky. Investing your money is risky. It's all risky. I'll tell you how risky life is, my friend. You're not going to get out of it alive. Live and enjoy your life now. Yes, getting married is risky. However, have no fears and get married. Sure, having children is risky. But go ahead and have beautiful children. Of course, going into business is risky. Jump in and make a profitable business. Investing your money is risky. Yes, it's all risky. Live your life fully and enjoy it.